Welcome to our channel, where today we make managing your T-Mobile account quick and easy with a step-by-step login guide. Welcome to our channel, where today we will walk you through the simple process of logging into your T-Mobile account step by step. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, following these easy instructions will have you accessing your account in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the T-Mobile official website. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. Once on the home page, locate the Login button typically situated at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This will take you to the Login portal. In the Login section, enter your T-Mobile phone number, email address, or username associated with your account in the first field. Double-check for any typing errors to ensure accuracy. Next, enter your account password in the designated password box. If you can't remember your password, look for the Forgot Password link below the password field to initiate the password recovery process. After inputting your credentials, click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard, where you can manage your services, view bills, check data usage, and much more. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's available. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. If you encounter any login problems, such as incorrect credentials or technical issues, try resetting your password or reach out to T-Mobile customer support for assistance. Remember to always keep your login information secure and never share your password with others. Following these straightforward steps will ensure a smooth login experience every time you need to access your T-Mobile account. Make managing your account hassle-free and enjoy all the benefits and features T-Mobile has to offer right at your fingertips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated with more useful guides and tips.